Hey y'all, and welcome to day 21 of our challenge where we are cleaning out clutter and things for our home. At first, we were saying, we were getting ready for spring, but spring has sprung. It is now here. We are officially in day 2 of spring. And so we are still on our journey, though, to continue to clean out the clutter from our homes. So which brings me to the tip of the day. So some of you have inboxed me and said, y'all all over the place, taking stuff out of this room, taking stuff out of that room, and then it becomes a huge mess and you just got rooms torn up all over the place. So here's what I've been doing, and maybe this will be helpful to you. So what I did was I've been going room to room. So I started in my bathroom. So I kind of started in the bathroom because I knew I had like a lot of stuff to get rid of, because I like buying all kind of stuff that I'm not going to use but sound great when I was in Sephora. And so I started there, and then I kind of pivoted from one area to the other. Right now I'm in my office / craft room, and I've been cleaning out there. So it kind of supports me in feeling like I'm accomplishing something because I'm seeing the transformation from room to room. Now, I haven't really got started on my closet. I think I did one day where I got rid of like some old handbags, and I don't know what was in there. I remember just getting rid of a purse, but I haven't been through my shoes and my clothes yet. So just pick one room, and start in there and clear the clutter or the things that you don't want, that are not serving you anymore, that are just holding up space, that you don't need. Clear those things out, and then you'll see a difference in the room, and then you just spread that throughout the house. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get to the pool. You know what I do? I shake. Y'all listen to that. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's not like it used to be. We only have a few numbers left. So I'm going to shake this bag up, which I just did. I'm going to pull a number, and let's see what we get tonight. It's been a long week. And one day I'll talk about the journey that I've been on this week for better health. But I'm just grateful to be standing up right now and having some energy today. So today I pulled number 24. Can y'all see that? So I'm going to go and get 24 items, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my 24 items. Like I said before, I'm in my craft room, / office. So here are the things that I'm getting rid of, because I decided I'm giving up some of my crafts. So the first thing, this isn't really a craft. This is an experiment that I use sometimes with my coaching clients. These are wood samples. We're going to count this as one for my wood burning stuff that I was supposed to be doing that I never really got started with because I realized I don't want to burn wood. This is the set. I think this is the set. I got 2 here. Yes, this is the wood burning set, brand new. So somebody gets that. This is because I gave up the whole tumbler thing decorating. So these are the epoxy cups that you use with that. Someone's gonna enjoy that, along with glass glaze. 2, 3 bottles of spray paint, something called triple thick, and a bookmark. This Thigh Master leg thing did not work. More of these cans. I think I showed y'all those before, but I found some more. You got some epoxy here and some resin here. Let's see what else we got. Making a lot of noise. We have an electric outlet because I changed to Surgers. This is a headset from back in the day that went with a computer, a hole punch, a ruler, necklaces that I thought were going to be a lot better than what they were, but they were not. This miniature clothespin set I bought for a crafting project. This camera, I'm ashamed to say I only used it like one time. So it's a really nice camera, but I have more professional ones. And this paintbrush set. It's a professional paintbrush set, and then the stickers and this little mat from the Westin. Am I supposed to have a mat from the Westin? I wonder if that was something I was supposed to leave in the hotel room. Oh my goodness. Okay, we ain't gonna talk about that. We just gonna get out of the way. Westin, if you watching, I'm sorry, but y'all know I'm a titanium member, so I don't want to hear it. All right, so that is it for today. Tomorrow will be day 22 in our challenge. So look forward to seeing you then. All right, bye-bye.